Do you know what phosphorus is?
Yeah, I do.
Can you elaborate?
There is heat, and it's present in the world.
Okay. Do you know what effect it's currently having on the Everglades National Park?
I could imagine that the release of phosphorus from cars or something is bad for the environment.
What is phosphorus?
What is phosphorus? It's an
Yes.
element?
And do you know what effect phosphorus is currently having on the Everglades?
I don't. I'm wondering if phosphorus is tied to sugar cultivation and fertilizers and whatnot, but I can't keep all of the chemical stuff clear in my mind. But I would assume it would have something to do with that.
Do you know what phosphorus is?
Well, exactly. I know matches, but I don't know exactly what phosphorus is.
The Everglades National Park is a sizable freshwater marshland that encompasses over 1 million acres located in South Florida. Changes in elevation throughout the Everglades National Park has given way to a multitude of habitats giving life to countless species. Historically, the Everglades has been relatively low in nutrients such as phosphorus, and the native species have evolved to the low nutrient levels. Now, due to an increase in pollutants, specifically agricultural runoff, the phosphorus level has increased considerably in the Everglades. Over the past years, humans have seen a dramatic decline in native species due to this Everglades phosphorus content.
Native plants in the Everglades are adapted to low phosphorus concentrations. So when the concentration of phosphorus reaching the Everglade increases, native plants will be replaced by non-native, altering the entire ecosystem.
Phosphorus is essential for life. DNA, otherwise known as the building blocks of life, are comprised of phosphates, phosphorus-bound oxygen atoms. Phosphorus is primarily found in sedimentary rocks and can be obtained by mining. Other sources of phosphorus are within organisms and can be accessed via urine. The largest demand for phosphorus is in the agriculture industry because of phosphorus-based fertilizer.
How can we reduce the amount of phosphorus that is wasted?
There are several options. Right now, what we're doing in Florida is using stormwater treatment areas to take out some of that phosphorus, but we could also change our agricultural system and use more organic farming, reducing the amount of fertilizers used.
Humans have intervened with the phosphorus cycle in many ways. The construction of dams have ruined the redistribution of phosphorus within nature, thus paving the way for fertilizers. Due to nutrient-poor land because of no phosphorus redistribution, there has been an increase in need for fertilizers. The runoff of agricultural lands that use phosphorus-based fertilizers have paved the way for many problems within the environment.
Buildup of phosphorus has led to algae growth or overgrowth of vegetation beyond what is supposed to be there.
Extremely low levels of nutrients such as phosphorus are part of the reason that the Everglades is a unique mosaic of sawgrass, tree islands, and open water. This proliferated amount of phosphorus has opened the gate for other complications. Native plants are now unable to adapt to these high nutrient levels, allowing for a surge in non-native species and cattails to overwhelm the ecosystem. On top of that, increased phosphorus levels have led to algal blooms which die, ultimately causing dead zones in the Everglades. This influx of phosphorus has conclusively induced an imbalance in the unique Everglades ecosystem. The aim of our project, Phos4us, is to educate the public on the importance of phosphorus. Within our short video, we hope to promote ecotourism and more sustainable agricultural practices and educate the public. Phosphorus is essential to life, and with the increase in demand, humanity could potentially deplete all remaining phosphorus reserves within the next century. The aim of Phos4us is to rebalance rich ecosystems such as the Everglades.